Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. So this morning the customer dropped off a laptop that was having a power issue and a battery issue. So we're going to take a look at just removing the bottom and checking out the battery. So the first thing you'll want to do is remove this piece here. You'll find right here there's a rubber support piece right here. If you just pry that up with a flat head. By the way, I recommend if you work on computers, you'll want to pick up a set like this. I got this on Amazon. You have your suction cup here. Use that on a few iPhones. Tweezers, a couple of pry tools, and then the various bits. Then you have your different pry tools down here. So I just used a small flathead to pull this up. There's just should be one screw. Hard drive will have 4 screws here, the black ones. Those can stay. I believe there is 1, 2, 3 screws you'll have to pull up. There may be only 2. Once those are pulled up, this tab might be down, so if you just get up under that a little bit, you can just pull it, and that basically disconnects the hard drive from the motherboard via just this piece here. I noticed to pop the bottom up, where is it? So it's on this side, right here. I use just one of these plastic pieces. You just do that, it'll pull up the bottom, and then just kind of go along and just pop it as you go. Now I've already had the bottom off today, so this might come up a little bit easier, but that will release the entire bottom tray. Just set that aside for a minute. Right, the battery was here. There should only be 2 screws holding this on, here and here. You can remove those, and for this battery connection piece, I just popped the sides out, pulled it up, and boom, there you go. A lot of times you'll want to notate the model number on the battery if you're going to replace that specifically. You can just jump on Google and find that exact match for your battery. Unique case in this situation, I think the AC adapter and the battery are both bad on this, so I couldn't power it on at all. You have your Wi-Fi card, 2 fans, your NVMe hard drive, and that's basically it. I went outside and blew all this out. I also used an old toothbrush to get into, just to wipe out the fan blades, the stuff that, you know, the dust that didn't come out with the blower. So looks pretty good, but that's essentially how you take the bottom piece off.